You're welcome back. The thing went up before now. So we're talking about changing colors, background colors, especially. If you look at this color here, this is yellow, and you want to change it, just tap on it, tap on the yellow, and you find out that it's gonna show you yellow here. If you're wondering why transparency is here, let me quickly explain that before we go back to the colors. Transparency is just to tell you that you can reduce the density of this color to make it transparent. If you look at this part, it's 100%, and that is why the color is solid. And when you drag this white dot here downwards, you find out the color will fade, and you'll be able to see what is on the background. But again, we don't want to change that from what it is. We'll leave it as block. It's just for you to know. Now you come back here where we have this yellow icon here and tap on it. Once you tap on it, the color palette will show, and I was telling you that you can click on this plus here to see more colors. And once you tap on that plus, it gives you this option where you have these two dots, this one and that one. So that means that once you tap on the surface of the colors changes as well. And the other part is, the other dot is when you move it or up and down, the colors will change also. And once you get to the shade of the color you want to use, you stop there and now tap along to make a better choice. So I think I'll go for something like this, something like that. Okay, let's do green. It could be any other color, just for us to be sure of how to make use of that. Once you are done with that, you now click on this icon here that says yes, that you're good to go. All right, so we're now back to this page, and you find out that love food is somewhat not too clear because of the background color. We're gonna change that now too. You just tap on that, and once you tap on it, it will show you the color, the size of font, the font type, the alignment, the way it is aligned to the right. It shows you that it's all caps. It's showing you that it's bold here and all that. So once you tap there, you can now come here where the color is here and tap on it. It will still bring out color palette, so you pick the color you want. For me, I want to use white, and you click your mark tick and say it's okay. So once you click on the top part where we say the people who, you tap on the color and change your color to whatever you want. So I want to use this light yellow on that part, so I'm cool with that. I tap on the other part, it changes to yellow. Well, if you look at the love food, the space in between love food, the people who, and the other part, which says are always the best, you know that it's not balanced. And for you to balance it, just tap on that text you want to move. Once you tap on it, you can hold it down and move it up to the position you want, and you're good. So check out the website down there. The color there is missing, and you change the color from here. Let me just leave it as white, and we're good to go. Now, when you look at the image, like I was saying, tap on the image, you can change it from the image you have on your system, on your phone. Must have taken picture of your your item. So I don't have food item here, but I think I saw one here somewhere there. You can just click on it. So once you click on the image, it will replace the first one. Can you beat that? It's automatic. It's something that you can do.